don't need to stop your thoughts to meditate. You don't need to be calm. You just need to begin. Most beginners quit meditation because they think they're doing it wrong. Thoughts come, the mind wanders. That's not failure, that's practice. Meditation is not about emptying the mind, it's about noticing without judging. The simplest meditation is breathing. Just notice the air entering and leaving. Bring your attention to your body, from your feet to your head. Relax what you notice. When thoughts appear, don't fight them. Imagine they are clouds passing by. You don't need 30 minutes. Start with 2 or 5 minutes. Consistency matters more than duration. There is no perfect meditation. Some days feel calm, some don't. Both are progress. Sit, breathe, notice. That's enough for today.